Alright guys, today we're doing a little single car driveway. It looks like it should only take 2 passes to finish this, but 5 minutes to make $100. Let's check it out. It was actually 3 passes instead of 2, but what was that, 5 minutes? It's gonna take me another couple minutes to edge in. Real nice and easy as a whole. I can't be happier with this machine. Left no lines. The one thing I did want to show that the surface cleaner is not the best at getting, that's very deep, really deep organic growth that's coming from this tree. You can actually use like a turbo nozzle to be able to knock all that off. Instead, even though there's not a lot of like surface cleaning lines, I'm gonna do a post treatment on here that will actually take care of all of that. So start to finish, you're looking at about 10 minutes to do a single car. This is actually a long single car driveway. I got 3 of these back-to-back neighbors. Yes, only $100 a piece, but 30 minutes to make $300, why not? 48-inch whisper washer is a monster.